evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So what is our today's topic? What is your today's topic? RLC circuit. Okay. So today we are going to see the topic series RLC circuit. What are the 5 stages of design thinking?
What was the empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test?
Test. Okay. So I am going to explain you the series RLC circuit with the 5 stages. First stage is called empathize. Second stage is called define. Third stage is called ideate. Fourth stage is called prototype, and fifth stage is called test. Okay. As an engineer, what are the things that we have to consider? As an engineer, what are the things that we have to consider while you are designing a series RLC circuit? As an engineer, you are an engineer, okay? What you have to consider to create the series RLC circuit?
Understand the problem.
What is RLC circuit? Inductance and capacitance. Where this RLC circuit comes from? What is the topic name? Resonance. So what is resonance? What is resonance? Natural frequency, right? So if you want to achieve the series RLC circuit resonance, natural frequency means our circuit should be in a RLC circuit. Okay. First thing I need of a frequency. So that's what I have explained here. Empathize is nothing but as an engineer, I have to concentrate on the frequency. What is frequency? Already I explained. It is in the radio station. For example, Radio Mirchi 98.3. These are all the particular frequency. If you change or if you tune the frequency, what will happen means your frequency will not work at any frequency ranges, right? So here we have to consider the frequency and the filter. Filter is nothing but we need a particular frequency, not in more than extra frequency or more than less than frequency. I need a particular frequency, for that I have to design a filter, okay? And then the power system needs that can be select or reject. If I want to go with the frequency, I have to select or reject. This is my problem, okay? For this problem, if I have a solution means I have to gain a maximum power transfer, filter out unwanted frequency and design circuit with a minimal impedance. These are the requirement I have if I want to design a RLC circuit. Now we are going for the define. Okay, and in definition we know all the solution, it is RLC, right? So here we have to take a RLC circuit. What is this one? Resistance, inductance, and capacitance. And this is a voltage. If I want to apply the applied voltage to the circuit, what will happen? V is equal to no. If you apply the voltage to this resistor, what will happen? It will come under voltage of resistor plus voltage of inductor plus voltage of capacitance. So we can replace VL as XL and VC as XC, where XL is nothing but the 1 divided by omega. XL is nothing but the omega L and the XC is nothing but 1 divided by omega C. Okay, these are the problem. These are the clarified problem for my empathize. Okay, then I have taken this and we have found out some solution. Z is equal to R plus J omega L minus 1 divided by omega C. This is the impedance what we have needed. Okay. Then we have from this formula we have achieved the maximum power occur at the maximum frequency and power factor. We already know power factor is equal to 1. And from this we are going to find out the quality factor. What is quality factor? What is the meaning of quality? For example, if you are buying a cell phone, right? So what quality you are expecting from the cell phone? Battery. Then, in my point of view, I will say the pixel camera, front camera and back camera. Like that, what is your quality need? Processor. Okay. What is now we are what process we are using now? The advanced processor. Snapdragon. Huh? Snapdragon. Okay. So here the resonance is nothing but how we are getting the maximum resonance, that is called as the quality factor. So how we can find the quality factor? Q is equal to 1 divided by R root of LC. Then we are going for the prototype. How we can check whether this is correct or not? We are going to find out the value, right? So already they have given R is equal to 10, L is equal to 100, C is equal to 10. So F1 is equal to, what is the frequency resonance formula? 1 divided by 2 by So we have substituted and we are getting 159.15 Hz. Okay. From this only we were getting the maximum frequency, maximum current. For example, if I am taking this circuit, here I will get the maximum current. Okay, with the frequency of 159.15 Hz. Then the last one is the testing. Testing, it can be what we have gained from this total thing is a resonant frequency, and we can draw the graph and we can show our formula is having a maximum resonant frequency. Okay, thank you.